to Awesome Learning. Let us start learning Hindi consonants Sh, Sh, Ssa and Ha. How to write Sh? Draw a curved hook and make a loop. Then pull it down as shown. Draw a standing line beside it. Finally, draw a sleeping line on the top. Let us learn some words starting with sh. Sharbat, juice. Shahad, honey. Shalgam, turnip. Sharifa, custard apple. How to write sh? Draw a standing line and bend it towards the right. Then draw a standing line next to it. Draw a diagonal line as shown. Finally, draw a sleeping line on the top. Let us learn some words starting with sh. Shatpad, hexapod. Shatcon, hexagon. How to write s? Start drawing a hook and pull a tail downwards. Draw a sleeping line in the middle and connected to that, draw a standing line. Finally, draw a sleeping line on the top. Let us learn some words starting with s. Sadak, road. Circus, samosa. Saat, seven. How to write ha? Start with a small standing line and draw a curve as shown. Connected to that, draw another curve and pull the tail downwards. Finally, draw a sleeping line on the top. Let us learn some words starting with ha. Hara, green. Haath, hand. Hathi, elephant. howdah, hammer. Thank you for learning with us. Please like, share our videos, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications.